All right. Watch this entire video because I'm going to be giving away some cool free swag. Some of this stuff here. Some of these cool freaking t-shirts. Okay, so what's going on? Let me go back up to the top of the page. I don't know why. Just because. Pay attention, you idiots, you! Here's what's doing. All right. One of my students was asking me about POD, which is print on demand. And is there money in it? And I got in a big long thing with him. And then I started doing video demos to teach him how he could do it. So as I was going through, I got wrapped up in it and I actually made and launched a POD store using Teespring. So as you can see here, well, let's go back at the top because I want to show you guys. Okay, first thing I did was I made a hero banner for my shop. Now, this is all a first draft, you have to understand. This is probably not going to be the final version of what's going on. But this is so easy to do, and I used Teespring for this particular shop. I'll probably be making another shop using Printful and Shopify, and there are reasons for doing each. So anyway, here's what's doing. This took me about, I don't know, 2 hours, right? I did all of the graphics. I made this custom banner. And again, this isn't great because, well, it's fine. I might just leave it because it shows a variety of different things and it's pretty clean and simple. And then we come down to the actual store where there are featured products that people can buy. So I've got like, well, this is actually a limited edition rare variant design that people can get. And anyway, I don't know, I'll go into that later maybe. But anyway, I start out with my rare, not rare, but with my Nani Freak designs, my Nani, Japanese Nani monsters. Nani kind of means what the WTF, right? In Japanese, it's like, what? You know. So I've got these Nani designs, and I dropped them on shirts and bucket hats and even tumblers. Okay, that's kind of screwed up. I need to put that Nani design on the back of the tumbler too. And even leggings and all this stuff. But I've got all these different Japanese Nani designs to start out with. This one is the ramen monster design. Let's see. Then I start getting into Halloween designs. I've got some real simple Halloween designs. And then I've got some freaky ones in here as well. Bushi. This is Bushi. That's kind of interesting. I kind of like this, the Grim Rapper all over print. I like the weird all over prints. That's just me. Here's some more Halloween designs. Anyway, you guys can come here and check this out if you want. It's no big deal. Oh, here's the zombie shit wipe attack shirt. This is the all-over version. Let's go. It's safe now mug. Just to give you an idea, you guys can create anything, right? Let's go this view. You guys can pretty much create anything. And this is so easy to do in the actual store and on actual Teespring. So Teespring is free. It's free for you to use, free for you to set up. Basically, they get a cut of everything that you sell. They deliver everything for you. They print, they deliver, they ship, in case you did not know. Makes it really simple for an idiot like me, right? I don't want my own print shop. I don't want to do all this. I don't want to do the manufacturing. Manufacturing is stupid, right? I've done it in the past, and it's just stupid, annoying to do it yourself. So this is a great entry-level way for guys like you and I to get into this stuff. But here's what's doing. Let me show you. You can come and look at all this stuff later. I don't want to bore you with it. But let me show you this. Just because you guys watched my stupid video on this, and I know this video hasn't been real instructional to this point, but I'll do that in follow-up videos. But this is what I'm going to do for you guys because you watched this stupid video. I'm going to give you a chance to win free t-shirt swag from my stupid free t-shirt shop, or my t-shirt shop, right? So here's the deal. Below this video is the link to this page. You can come to this page, and here's what I'm giving away. The grand prize is you can get any 3 items from my shop. Second place is any 2 items. Third place is any single item. And the ways to enter are right here. There are 12 ways to enter. So you're going to come to this page and you can enter as many times as you want. Come back every day, enter, 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 blah, 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 blah. So that's what's doing. Come here, follow through, do it. And then next week, I will make a video on the whole walkthrough on exactly what I'm doing so that you can copy me if that's what you want to do. If you want to launch your own POD shop like I have done, I'm going to walk you through it step by step next week and give you some insider tips and tricks on what's going on. So very cool. Anyway, here it is, guys. The link to this giveaway page is below. Jump on it. You've got 1 week from, I think, tomorrow, the 8th. So get on it. Do it. Don't do it. What do I care? I don't care 1/5 of a half-eaten crap what you do. You annoy me. I'm really getting annoyed right now. I'm getting amped up. I don't know. I'm getting amped up because I'm getting ready to go on another Vegas trip. And that always gets me amped up. So if I call you an idiot, if I scream, if I yell at you, that's why. The other reason why is because you probably are an idiot. So don't be an idiot. Don't be a chucklehead. Come here, do the do, and see what happens. All right, guys, maximum respect. All the best. Bye, Inara. Cheers. And you can share this video if you want to do a solid. Go away.